Can we download songs on Spotify for free? Hello everybody, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to find out, so let's just dive right into it. For that you may go ahead and open up Spotify, and then once you open up Spotify, you may head over to the playlist option in the bottom, your library, tap on it, and after tapping on it, you may head over to playlist that you would like to download. So in order to download the songs for free, let's head over the download button. And when you head over the download button, here it says in order to download the album or the songs, you need to have the premium version of Spotify. So that's how we find out we cannot download songs on Spotify for free. You need the premium version. So you may go ahead and explore premium. And then there are different plans provided by Spotify. You may go and purchase which you think is suitable for you, and then you will be getting the download option on Spotify, which will let you download songs. So that's it for now. You can follow up this method in order to download songs on Spotify. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.